My name is Moshir Masalawala. We stay at Bandstand, Bandra, Mumbai. We have a house here. It's a bungalow of 3 stories where we've installed this lift of Elite Elevators in 2016. So we've been basically using the lift since 8 years. This lift has been installed for my mother, who is a very senior citizen, and to make it easy for her to access the kitchen from her floor, she uses the lift most of the time. We installed this lift by Elite Elevators in 2016 for my mother, who's a senior citizen. She stays on the second floor of our bungalow and the kitchen is in the basement. So for her to commute to the kitchen off and on, we have this lift, and it's since 2016 working very well. This home lift was suggested to me by a jeweler friend in 2015-16. He'd been using the lift by Elite Elevators and he was very happy with the product, so I thought we'll go with it. But later on, the service has been excellent. The lift has been working perfectly fine. I have seen lifts made by other companies, some Indian lifts and some imported ones, but compared to them, I find this lift to be excellent in performance and quality. It carries 4 people very easily. There's been no issues. The service provided by Elite Elevators is excellent, par excellence. They're always on time. 2016, when we installed the lift, before that my mom used to have lots of problem coming down from her floor, because basically it's a second floor and the kitchen is in the basement, so it's like a three floor climb for her. So she would occasionally avoid coming down, but now with the lift she's down every second of the day. She can come down and go up whenever she feels like. Since the lift has been installed, my mom is very happy because she can come down for her meals. She can come down to cook her food. For every small thing that she wants, she can come down. In fact, her family members, her sisters, her brothers who are as old as her, senior citizens, they also keep coming and they use the lift. So it becomes very easy for them to access the entire house. So the lift has lovely safety features. It has a sensor on the door, so any mishap is definitely avoided. Plus it has a slow landing, there are no jerks. So every time it reaches a floor, it lands very smoothly. Plus in case there's a power failure, there are options of bringing the lift down or up manually. It has excellent safety features. So if I have to describe the lift or the use of the lift, it's a basic necessity, especially if you have a house of multi-storied house and a senior citizen.